If you open Roblox, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the top 7 Roblox games right now are Squid games. What is this? I could easily make an actual Squid. Bro, is that the actual? Bro, this game is horrible. Okay, you guys get the point. And I'm gonna give myself a little bit of a challenge. I'm only giving myself 3 days to make a fully functionable Squid games in Roblox. So let's get started. This is what the map is gonna look like. I need to start by actually getting an image of the house. So we're gonna search up Squid games, green light, red light. Oh wait, red light, green light. And let's see, that doesn't look like one. This one, that right there looks good. So let's actually screenshot that. RGB, we just copy this right here, go back into studio and go to color and just paste it. And now we have the color, and that looks somewhat accurate.
Oh nah, shit tripping.
Okay, I finished making the house, and I'm not gonna lie, this is absolutely horrible. Delete all this and like this, cause I stole a map from the toolbox. Let me see how massive this map is, bro. This map is massive. All right, now let's play. Now let's see if it's like any better. Wait, this is actually perfect sizing. Bro, how come it's still massive? Or we got the, so now that we have this entire like little map done, we can actually get to the scripting part. So I'm gonna get started on that. And as you can see up here, it also has the timer displaying. So yeah, we got this part working. Now we gotta do it to where if you move, you die. So I actually have quite a smart idea to do this. Okay, I think it works. So it says green light, so it's indicating a green light. This is realize we gotta stop. But if we jump, yeah, Buzfas is eliminated. Let's go, it works. Now we gotta add a little bit of an indicator on what light it actually is. All right, so we're gonna give him 1 minute and 30 seconds. I finish it. Let's go.
Green light. Red light.
Okay, sorry day 1 ended so abruptly. I had to like go study for something. Let's move this spawn point inside of the actual, like, that's where you're gonna be playing. And let's just duplicate it just like that. Let's make the actual death. Now if we move, we should die. Like literally die. So let's go. Okay, here's the plan. Since I can't do all 5 games in one day, because I spent the entire day 1 working on red light, green light, I'm just gonna make it Squid games, but it's a simulator. And whenever you make it to the end of red light, green light, you get +1 speed, and it'll be like a round based system. Okay, so we just won, so now we should be a little bit faster now that we have 2 wins. And I do feel very fast. Like, I'm faster than usual, so I say this thing works. Welcome to day 3. I'm just gonna start this day off by making a gunshot sound for the character death. So okay, I'm testing it right now and it works. Okay, now I need a global leaderboard, because like, what is a simulator without a global leaderboard? So I'm just gonna grab this one right here. Yeah, that one didn't even work, so I just grabbed one from one of my old games. Now we have a working leaderboard. I think the final thing that we're gonna add for this game is a game pass, because we gotta have some type of revenue, right? Not gonna do much, it's just gonna make you a front man, but it's not gonna give you any in-game perks. So I just grabbed this image off of Google, customized it in Photopea to make it brighter, and then I have this Game Pass ID, and now I made it to where you can actually buy this Game Pass in the game. It says error, but that's because I already own the Game Pass. But we actually have to make the Game Pass work, so I added chat tags. So if I were to type in the chat with the frontman Game Pass, then I will have the frontman chat tag. Last thing to do actually is to make the thumbnail for the game. So I just made a thumbnail for the video just to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, and then I cropped it to make the icon. Yeah, I'm very lazy. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and hey, check out the game because I'm probably gonna be in it right now.